guys, my name is Jen. Welcome to my channel, Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome. And if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm very excited to have every single one of you here. Today I am doing a day in a life. Guys, let me just start out by telling you this is the first day off I have had in... What was this one, Steve? A 17-day streak?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is the first day off I've had in 17 days, and I want to share it with you. Yes, needless to say, I've been working a lot lately, but it's all right. Totally worth it. So, plans for the day. I've got some good meals planned. I'm hoping to make a trip to Trader Joe's. I'm going to make a trip to Trader Joe's. That's just it. I'm going to Trader Joe's. I've been looking forward to it all week. And hopefully a haircut because, guys, this mop is out of control. And I don't know what else I have planned. I'm just going to roll with it because that's how I am. That's how you embrace chaos in life. You roll with it. So, as of right now, I'm planning on drinking my coffee. Let me show you my cup. Here you have it. The snuggle is real. Not necessarily today. There's no snuggling with Steve because he's sick and stinky.
I took a bath last night.
I'm sorry, he took a bath last night.
Thank you.
I'm just kidding. Snuggle is real. And it's a perfect day because it is cold, cold, cold outside. Cold. We had a snowstorm this week. We still have a little bit of snow. We live out in the country, so it's always gorgeous. And I think I'm just going to watch some YouTube. I'm watching Dish with D right now, and she just got this... I had to set that down. She just got this plant thing for herbs that's really got my attention and could possibly cost us some more money. Don't tell Steve. Don't tell Steve.
No, I won't.
Thank you.
Welcome.
All right, guys. I'll see you in a little bit. Bye.
Okay guys, it is time for breakfast. What you see here are Weight Watchers strawberry pancake bites. Mine are more of a muffin because I did not have a mini muffin pan, but that is okay. Each muffin is worth 2 points, so 6 points altogether for my breakfast, and then I topped it with 2 tablespoons of this sugar-free maple syrup, which is 0 points.
Hey, me again. Getting ready to take off, obviously, because I'm in my car. I am going to go get my hair cut and my eyebrows done because, yeah. And then we're going to Trader Joe's. While I'm driving, I'm going to have a quick snack. I'm going to have 1 bag of these popcorn or chips. They're sea salt flavored for 3 points. All right, friends. Got my mop cut. I feel a lot better. I just have this one crazy spot in my bangs that I can't get rid of. So I'm going to have to work with that just a bit, but I like it. Super happy to have my bangs back. Steve and I are gonna go grab something to eat, so you'll be seeing that in a couple of minutes. Probably just a picture because it's Saturday and I'm guessing the restaurant's gonna be kind of loud. And then we're finally going to Trader Joe's. So see you in a little bit. Bye guys.
All right, this is turning out to be one of the best days ever. We stopped at one of my favorite restaurants. It is called Mission Barbecue. Here you see the Mission Barbecue smoked salmon for 0 points. And then for my side, I got the Mission Barbecue green beans and bacon for 2 points. So lunch altogether is 2 points.
Okay, guys, today has totally gotten away from me. It's just been nonstop chaos since we got home. Cameraman's nodding in agreement if you can see the camera wiggling. There you go. Thank you, Steve. But I am finally ready to show you what we got at Trader Joe's. There's some new stuff and there's some classic stuff, but all of it I'm so excited to have. I just have to say, I'm so excited. So let's start out with the frozen stuff so we can get that put away. I'm going to start out with some frozen mahi burgers. These are 1 patty for 2 points. Got some of our reduced guilt macaroni and cheese. Now, don't panic when you hear the point value on this. There's a method to my madness. If you were to eat this entire thing, it's 10 points. 10 points seems high, but if you pile a bunch of veggies or you add some tuna to it, that's not so bad. Usually what I do, though, is I just cut it in half and eat 5 points worth of it as like a side dish to possibly a mahi burger. I don't know. I don't know that I would do macaroni and cheese and mahi mahi together. Maybe. Who
Well,
knows?
it's tuna, right? Isn't that what mahi mahi is?
I guess.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. So yeah, it's tuna.
I got a great big bottle of sparkling water. This is mandarin orange flavor. I got this because I was really thirsty in the store and it was only 79 cents. And it's very good. I love sparkling water. Got some of my light mozzarella cheese. This is my favorite light mozzarella cheese. It melts really well. It's still creamy. It's not dried out like some of the other low-fat mozzarellas you find in the store. This is 1/4 cup for only 1 point. If you guys have ever seen a Trader Joe's haul with me, you know I always get my Jarlsberg light Swiss cheese. This is one of my favorite cheeses. Now there's a little bit of Weight Watchers math going on with this one. You can do 1 for 2 points, or you can do 2 slices for 3 points. I might do 1 slice on a sandwich and eat the other one on the side, or put them both on a sandwich, but there's no way I'm letting an entire slice of Swiss cheese go when it's only 1 point. So I always eat the 2. This is new to me. This is Trader Joe's reduced fat cheese puffs. They are cheese flavored corn snacks. You can have 35 of these for 4 points. And they're the regular size cheese puffs. So that's a pretty hefty snack portion if you ask me. I know you guys have seen these before. These are the pork and the chicken pot stickers. These would be really good with the stir fry that I made the other day. I will link that video up in the corner. If you missed it, go check it out. Make sure you check out all the other people who participated in the collab too, just saying. The chicken pot stickers are in my other hand. They're 7 for 5 points. And then 7 for 7 points for the pork pot stickers. So great for points on those 2. And they're pretty big. They're decent size. So you're not going to finish eating those feeling hungry. Next I've got some salad kits. This is my delicious chopped salad kit. It's 1 cup for 4 points. It's got a little bit of everything. These kits include all of the vegetables and the sauce. And then it looks like this might have a little bit of cheese with it too, but I'm not sure. It does not. Oh my gosh, it's got potato chips in it. I get excited about that every time I buy this, and I always forget. So it's got potato chips in it, and then the dressing is dill cucumber ranch. Now, this is 4 points for 1 cup with the dressing included. You throw the whole kit in a bowl and mix it. However, I usually put my dressing on the side and just dip my fork in it. So really, I don't count the dressing. So I'm guessing this would most likely be 0 points or very few. I don't know. It's almost not worth it because 4 points isn't that much. And this is a new one for me. This is a barbecue and black pepper Toscano chopped salad kit. It is 1 cup for 5 points. This one contains green and red cabbage, carrots, broccoli stalks, and kale with cornbread croutons, black pepper, Toscano cheese, and a barbecue sweet onion dressing. I got some butter lettuce, 0 points to kind of bulk up the salads a little bit. This is a classic for me. These are my savory thin crackers. You can have 15 of these for 4 points. I always add some kind of dip with these. This week I got Trader Joe's vegan buffalo dip. This is buffalo chicken dip, but there's no chicken in it. It's made out of cauliflower. You can have 2 tablespoons for 1 point or 4 tablespoons for 2 points. So great on the point value there. I've got 2 new seasonings. This is a Trader Joe's pizza sprinkle seasoning. What does this have in it? It's got tomato powder, granulated garlic, paprika, sea salt, rice concentrate, coriander, black pepper, dried parsley, dried basil, and dried oregano. Sounds good to me. This one I am very intrigued by. This is ketchup flavored seasoning. I cannot wait to give this a try. Tomato powder, sugar, kosher salt, vinegar powder, onion powder, and garlic powder. And then it's also got the rice concentrate in it too. Wherever you'd think to use ketchup. I love ketchup. Steve picked this out. This is the peppermint tea. I got 2 new flavors of barbells. This is a hazelnut and nugget barbell. It's plant-based protein. This has 15 grams of protein in it, and it is 5 points. I haven't had that flavor, but these are really good. And this one is chocolate dough protein bar. It has 20 grams of protein, no added sugar. It's a little bit higher in points. It's 6 points versus the 5. And then these are the Parksdale Farms Winter Frost Pine Berries. They're supposed to be a cross of pineapple and strawberries. Alright, so I'm sure you can tell by the sunlight, it is the next morning. Have any of you guys ever noticed when you finally have a day off how exhausting it is? Holy Moses, guys, by the end of the day, I was exhausted. And I'll tell you what my exhaustion led to. I lost all of my willpower and consumed a very cruddy dinner. I'll be honest with you. I mean, I didn't stress eat or anything. I was just tired, exhausted. I didn't plan well enough for my supper. So I ended up eating 1 cup of this Progresso soup mix. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. 1 cup of it is 4 points. It's the creamy wild rice. And that wasn't the bad part. The bad part was that I decided to have some saltine crackers with it. Well, did I take out a few saltine crackers and put them on a plate or a napkin next to my bowl of soup? No, I brought the whole sleeve. So what did Chaos Jen eat? You guessed it. I ate the entire sleeve of saltine crackers. About 40 crackers, which was 15 points. Amazingly, though, I still stayed within my points for the day. I ended up with 3 points left, which means that I ate a total of 33 out of 36 points. So not a bad day of eating overall, but I did have that one moment where I was tired and I lost my self-control and ate the whole bag of crackers. Yeah, so that's my day. That's my chaos. That's real life, friends. Okay, so I have to finish getting ready for work. Yes, I put on the same shirt I had on yesterday. I didn't want y'all to have to stare at me in my PJs. I gotta get to work. If you have any questions or comments, guys, leave them down below. I will get back with you. Thank you all so very much for watching. I absolutely love sharing my day with you guys. If you haven't already, you could give this video a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. If you're not a member of my YouTube family and you feel like you can handle Chaos Jen's chaos, feel free to hit that subscribe button down in the corner. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye!